Here is a unique process for creating mannequins at a workshop in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. The Vietnamese craftsmen demonstrate their detailed and skillful approach to mannequin making, from building the frame to final finishing touches. In the initial stage, workers assemble the mannequin base. The frame is often made from materials like fiberglass or plastic, which are both lightweight and durable. Molds or templates are frequently used during this phase to ensure the correct anatomical structure. After the frame assembly, craftsmen carefully sand the mannequin's surface until it is perfectly smooth. Various tools, including sanding machines, help prepare the base for painting. Workers apply multiple layers of paint to give the mannequin a natural look, paying special attention to the face, where features like eyes, lips, and eyebrows are painted by hand. Fine brushes and paint are used to achieve precise and realistic details. Once the painting process is complete, the mannequins can be dressed in different clothing if required by the client. In some cases, wigs and accessories are also added. Experienced craftsmen work on each step of the assembly process, from sanding to painting and styling. They use both manual labor and specialized equipment to create each mannequin with high precision. Production is organized so that all staff work harmoniously and with focus, giving each mannequin a unique and lifelike appearance. ABB Robotics Company is actively implementing robotic solutions for food packaging automation, with a standout example being the pepperami salami packaging system at the Unilever plant in Ansbach, Germany. This facility uses high-speed robots named FlexPicker IRB 360, specifically designed for the fast and precise sorting and packaging of small items such as salami snacks. The robots are equipped with unique grippers that can simultaneously pick up multiple salami sticks and place them into packaging machines. The entire process is managed by an image processing system that tracks the position of each product on the conveyor and relays the information to the main computer. This enables the robots to operate with exceptional precision and efficiency. With the introduction of this system, the packaging line's productivity at the plant has increased by 25% compared to manual labor. Additionally, the robots handle delicate products carefully, avoiding any damage during packaging. The use of automated systems like those from ABB Robotics showcases how technology can enhance efficiency and speed in manufacturing processes, reducing dependency on manual labor and ensuring consistent product quality. Here is an example of a smart factory from one of China's home appliance manufacturers, where 99% of the workforce are robotic machines. The factory utilizes modern automation technologies and artificial intelligence to create a highly efficient production process. Most processes are performed automatically by robots and various mechanisms. Robots on the assembly lines handle the assembly of components for home appliances, such as washing machines, refrigerators, and microwave ovens. Their actions are precise and repetitive at high speed, minimizing the potential for errors and boosting productivity. It's important to note that the factory is equipped with AI systems that enable the robots to independently manage processes, monitor product quality, and optimize workflows. For example, these systems can track equipment conditions and notify when maintenance is required. There are almost no human workers on the factory floor, as most tasks are carried out by machines. However, employees monitor equipment performance and manage processes through centralized computer systems. Their role is to ensure smooth operation and adjust the machinery as needed. At the Hannover Messe 2019, ABB showcased the mini factory of the future, where Yumi robots demonstrated how automation and digitalization can enable mass customization of products. In this unique process, Yumi assembled personalized wristwatches in just 3 minutes, highlighting the flexibility and precision of modern manufacturing technologies. This mini factory serves as a model for the future, where production processes can quickly adapt to changing customer demands and produce custom-made products. The central element of the factory of the future was the digital twin, a technology that allows real-time optimization of production lines without disrupting operations. This enables manufacturers to make changes to processes and test them before physically implementing them on the line. As a dual-arm collaborative robot, Yumi performed complex tasks with high precision during the demonstration. The flexible SuperTrack transport system moved components between workstations, synchronizing all operations for watch assembly. This demonstration illustrated how digitalization and automation can transform production lines into more flexible and efficient systems. Imagine a factory where robots move with surgical precision across the workshops powered by 5G technology, and a new car rolls off the assembly line every 2 minutes. Geely's factory in China is more than just a modern automobile manufacturing factory. It's a real step into the future. This factory embodies the concept of Industry 4.0, where everything from welding to part transportation is fully automated. Autonomous guided transport systems move materials throughout the production facility, maintaining high levels of precision and efficiency. All of this operates thanks to an ultra-fast 5G network, enabling continuous data exchange between machines and devices. The factory also features a rigorous quality control system with 80 stringent tests for each car, along with comprehensive waterproof testing to simulate extreme conditions like typhoons, ensuring vehicle durability. Additionally, Geely's robots handle more specialized tasks, such as transferring parts from one station to another and contributing to the final car assembly. Every day, these robots deliver thousands of components, performing up to 7,000 transport operations per shift. The production line for frozen pizza is a fully automated process that leverages advanced technology to create a high-quality product with minimal labor and resource use. The process begins with dough preparation, where large machines mix and roll the dough to form the pizza base. After this, the dough moves to the ingredient application station, where technologies like waterfall applicators and servo motors are used to evenly distribute tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, and vegetables. Once the pizzas are topped, they move into a freezing chamber, where they are chilled for about 20 minutes at around -20 degrees to preserve freshness and flavor. Finally, the pizzas are automatically packaged, allowing them to maintain a long shelf life and providing convenience for the consumer. Automation on these lines enables the production of hundreds of pizzas per minute, helping companies meet high demand, reduce labor costs, and increase overall productivity. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.